Hi, today we will learn how to integrate the bot with Facebook ads. On your Facebook Ads Manager, create a campaign and the ad set. In the ad set, choose Messenger as your conversion event location. In the ad setup, choose Carousel as the format. In the message template section, select Advanced Setup and click on Edit. There are multiple elements in the script for the ad. Edit the one for the buttons so that when someone clicks on the button, the user is taken to Facebook Messenger and the bot starts replying. In the payload section for one of the buttons, edit it to the flow_path key. You will find the path key in the path info in Engati's flow builder. This will be the path that would get triggered once someone clicks on the button. Click on Preview in the Messenger to test the bot. This is how the bot will reply.